Hey guys, how are you? Did you enjoy the previous video? Let's take a look at what we're about to see today. Where do you think it is? Share your thoughts in the comment section. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram as well using the link in description. We'd appreciate the support. Now, let's begin the walk. Dear fellow travelers, before we start, we just want to share something with you. As it's been noticed, we thought we should say it ourselves. This channel and its activities are regarded to show the world that Iran is a beautiful country and has peaceful people. We do not want to get involved or engaged in any political issues. So we appreciate it if you respect and honor this decision. Also, we are open to criticism and we welcome it with open arms, but hateful and threatening comments are not acceptable. The world is cruel enough, and we wanted to share a place where we can just be calm and enjoy the life for a little while. Thank you so much for your support. Now, where were we? Did you guess right? We are walking Baharestan Square. It's one of the oldest area in Tehran city, and so many events have happened here, like Nasreddin Shah's wedding. One of his weddings actually, since he had so many wives. Or some terror attacks and revolutions, etc., etc. But perhaps the most important thing about here is the Islamic Council building. It's located here. Baharestan is in the middle of Tehran and it's in District 12. It's also near Imam Khomeini Square, and since it's in the middle of the city, you can't expect a nice and clean air. To reach this area, there are multiple subway stations you can use, so it depends on where you actually want to go. You can get off on Sadi or Mellat or Darvaz-e Dolat. You can also use the bus. On the western north of the square, you can see the special market for musical instruments, which is near the Ministry of Culture and Islamic Guidance. There are some important streets related to this square, which are Jamhuri Street, Ibn Sina Street, Amir Kabir Street, etc. There is also a specific market for shoes and sneakers here. There are malls and deli stores, so when you go shopping or walking, you won't be starved. The neighborhood is generally good for its easy transportation and educational opportunities, such as so many schools. There are different markets there for people's needs and interests, which you'll see. Well, I think that's it. Enjoy the rest. All the love, travel buddies.
60 تومن قیمت تولیدی 60.
DJ House Party.